Hi, so in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can automatically apply one of your task lists to a ticket based off of ticket conditions. So we're in the Tasks and Subtickets app admin section here under task lists. We're looking at all of our task lists here and we're wanting to automatically apply our onboarding task list when a new ticket is created with the onboarding form. How do we do that? Well, we've got this trigger column here and anything that we want to automatically apply, we click on Create Trigger for. Which will create the trigger and give us a link to it either up here, or you can just click on the edit trigger button here to get into it and have a look at what the conditions are. Now by default, the conditions will be created in a way that it won't fire because it's looking for this test tag. So we can remove that straight away and then start putting in the conditions that we want to look for. So we will look for when the ticket is created and when the form is client onboarding, like so. And if we scroll down, we can see that the app has automatically applied this action, which we don't have to change. It's already looking up and adding the right task list that was specified here. But the last part, we could probably just remove this rule to remove the tag, since we're no longer checking for the tag in the conditions. So now I'm going to save this. And our trigger is created and we can test this out. So now we're going to go to a ticket that we have not created yet. This is in an uncreated state. I'm going to submit this ticket as a client onboarding test ticket, if you like. And you can see that we have now had the onboarding task list that we've just created automatically applied to the ticket here. Now, if at any point you need to make alterations as to when this fires, we can always go back into the task lists here and then back to edit trigger to alter those conditions. So yeah, that's how you do that. Thanks for watching. If you've got any questions, email us at support@sweethawk.com.